por favor.
Street show.
Let's go, all right, I see you girls right here. Let's start the show. All right, all right.
You know the man. Bring it over a little bit. Bring it over a little bit. Finley. Right here. Bring it in. We gotta start a street show. We got VIP seats right here.
All right, yeah, let's get a bit closer. Let's get this crowd control.
Okay, everybody.
A little bit closer. All right.
I need everybody. Put your hands here.
Wrap around right here. Thank you so much. Hands up, y'all.
Hands up, everybody. You in Vegas. Don't worry. Hands up. Okay. Hand up. There we go. All right, on the count of 3, I need everybody to make as much noise as they possibly can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try this again. On the count of 3, I want everybody to go Vegas. 1, 2, 3. Vegas. All right. I'm going to introduce you to the 3 simple rules.
3 simple rules, y'all.
Rule number 1.
What?
If you like what you see, you clap. Rule number 2. If you don't like what you see, still clap. Rule number 3. At the end of the show, we're going to execute a very dangerous grand finale. So, all that we ask is that you stick around and watch the finale. Okay, who's ready to see the last street show? Make some noise! Okay, DJ, cue the music. All right, everybody, clap. Stop the show.
No, wait up.
White people, we need you to find your rhythm. Okay, let's try this again. Finland, are you ready? Ready, okay. DJ, cue the music. All right, here we go. Got it. entertainment. So, whatever donations you leave in the bucket are what we live off of. Now, Obama wants change. But what do we want? 5, 6, 20s, and 50s. So, before I execute this very dangerous grand finale, we're gonna come around with the bucket.
Show you the finale.
Then show you.
It's concrete. Don't let it go.
All right, here we go, y'all. Get your camera out. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. Last show of the night. Last show of the night. Give it up.
Show your love. Thank you, guys.
I know, but I'm grabbing some bills too.
Show's not over. Don't go away. We got one more. Thank you so much.
All right. Let's get hype, y'all.
All right, everybody.
Clap your hands, y'all.
Yeah, everybody, get your cameras out.
Get your cameras
Okay,
out.
here we go.
Video, Facebook, let's go.
Attempt to spin
Clap,
my
clap,
head.
clap,
Everybody clap. Here we go, y'all. Y'all ready? Are we ready? I need more energy. All right, hands together. You guys want to see us move? I need energy. All right, here we go, y'all. Last show of the night. Thank you for watching.